enroll and save big.
If you are on Medicare, then no doubt you know that this is the annual enrollment period. The deadline for it is coming up. So Dale Huey is back on the show with Patriot Insurance to make sure you've got the coverage you're looking for in the new year. Good to see you.
Exactly. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Great. And you were right. Sunday, December 7th.
And that's the end for the
end
annual
of the
enrollment.
open enrollment. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what that means is, and most people know this, if you've been receiving Medicare in 2025,
Right.
this is your opportunity to evaluate your plan and make sure that you don't want to make any changes, because if speak now or forever hold your peace.
Exactly. Yeah, it's you'll be enrolled. If you do nothing, you'll be re-enrolled in the plan you're in for this year.
Okay.
Starting January 1st. But if you would like to review your options and see if you may have a better option to go to, now is the time. Between now and Sunday, midnight is the time to do the review.
Okay, so I'll play at the cynic here for just a second and say that some people, raise your hands, might be glad to see this period come to an end because they're sick of the commercials.
They're sick of the commercials. They're sick of the mailers. It's overwhelming sometimes.
But that is
and
not
very confusing.
you, because one of the things that you stressed with me the last time you were here is that if you're getting, especially on the commercial side of it, on these national commercials, that's not the same help that you're going to be able to offer, because you know our doctors.
Well, exactly. Plus, they these 1-800 numbers and the TV ads and all that good stuff, they will talk about a plan that sounds like roses and good wine. But when actually that plan is not available in our area.
Well, now wait one second.
Right.
So somebody, you're on the phone with them, I guess, if they're out of town.
No, what you're hearing on TV is what's
so it's not as
misleading.
Okay, but nobody would sign you up for a plan that does not exist here.
No, they can't do that. That's very much against Medicare
but you've
laws.
still wasted your time.
You've wasted your time. Right.
Okay. You've told me before, you spend a lot of time, if the client is open to this, really sort of examining their life and asking questions they might not think to offer, because it will affect what they need.
Exactly. The new Medicare plans, number one, you cannot be turned down for them. They're a guaranteed issue no matter what your health crises are. We never ask you about health questions. The only thing we will ask you basically is, are you on end-stage renal disease, which is a kidney failure. If you're on that, then you automatically, Medicare takes care of that under the kidney failure.
Okay.
So there's a special program for that.
Well, you say that you don't ask about health concerns or health conditions. However, if you know that you're going to have a surgery in the new year, or wouldn't you need...
It's none of my business.
But shouldn't they let you know?
No, they don't have to let me know.
Okay.
The only thing we would ask them is basically who they prefer as their physician, their primary care physician, and then if they would like for us to, we will look up all of their drugs to make sure they are in formulary for this coming year, as well as their doctor, make sure they are in formulary, because the doctors come in and out of network a lot.
Well, I guess that's why I was asking you about the surgery. I'm not trying to push you on it, but see, I would have thought your answer would be, yes, that's helpful for you to know, because let's say you're having spine surgery and you're going to rehab with your daughter in South Carolina. Wouldn't you need to know that?
You would need to know that for sure.
Okay.
Yes.
So the
if
more
you're going to do
people-
rehab in South Carolina, you would probably want to do a SIP, in that, it's a special enrollment period, or SIP, special enrollment period. It's where that if you be moving out of the area, then you would have to enroll into a plan in that area in order to receive those.
Okay.
Now, you can also, if that particular provider is in the human or the plan's network, no matter what state they're in, you can go to them if you're in a PPO.
Okay. So I guess I'm just thinking that it's not what you know, it's what you don't know.
It's what you don't know.
So people need to come to you, and as much as they are comfortable tell you sort of the
We
ins
sit
and
down
outs.
and we'll talk to you and about your needs, and it absolutely doesn't cost you a dime.
Deadline is Sunday midnight.
Midnight, December 7th. Yes.
There's only one of you.
There's only one of me. Well, I have a good office staff.
Okay, so do you prefer that should people reach out to you through a phone call,
Reach out to me
online?
through a phone call. We'll set up an appointment, and you come in. We will do the review with you,
Okay.
look at your plan, see what we have that might be a little better for you, and then we always sit it in front of you and explain to you. You make the final decision, not
Okay,
us.
and this is for those who are already on Medicare in the current year.
Or
if
agent in at 65.
this year?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're not going to turn 65 until February?
You can still enroll now.
Okay.
You can enroll in the 3 months before your 65th birthday.
Okay.
The
Or-
month of your 65th birthday, and 3 months past your 65th birthday.
Well, here's where you'll find him if that math sounds like you. It's Patriot Insurance on Ringgold Road. PatriotInsInc.com is that website. And then there's their phone number to call, 710-2328. Great to see you.
Thank you.
This is Eric. When he got injured in a car accident, he called Morgan & Morgan. So yeah, you don't just get some lawyer. You get an army.